Hello everyone, I am Dharmaraj studying MSc in Computer Science at Manasa Gangotri, Mysore. In this lecture, I am going to explain MAC address. MAC address is a concept provided at the data link layer for a number of different networking technologies. This is layer 2. What the MAC address provides is a layer 2 address that is used to identify a device on a network segment. The MAC stands for Media Access Control. The MAC address is a unique value associated with a network adapter. MAC addresses are also known as hardware address or physical address. They uniquely identify an adapter on a LAN. The important reason for using MAC address. It provides a secure way to find senders or receivers in the network. MAC address helps you to prevent unwanted network access. MAC address is a unique number, since it can be used to track the device. Wi-Fi network at the airport use the MAC address of a specific device in order to identify it. Architecture of MAC address. MAC address containing 6 octets. First 3 octets are organizedly unique identifier. It is a 24-bit number that identifies the manufacturer organization. The last 3 pairs of digits are the number specific to the device, which is known as network interface controller specific. 3 octets contain 8-bit like B0, B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6 and B7. In B0 there are 2 bits 0 and 1. 0 indicate Unicast having unique address of destination server. 1 bit means multicast MAC address of protocol data application. In B1 also there 2 bits 0 and 1. 0 indicates globally unique to the identifier manufacturer and globally. One means locally administrated, which is similar to the local area network, LAN IP address. Media access control is used to identify the NIC card. It was created by manufacturer. It represents in hexadecimal. In this picture, so the NIC card or MAC address are physically attached to a hardware device. MAC address are unique 48 bits hardware number of computer, which is embedded into network card known as network interface card. During the time of manufacturing, MAC address is also known as physical address of a network device. Traditional MAC address are 12-digit hexadecimal numbers, which is mostly represented in hexadecimal notation. In this example of MAC address is 6 group of 2 digits of MAC address. First 3 group of 3A, 3, 4, 5, 2. These 6 digits of MAC address identify the manufacturer called as organizational unique identifier. In another 3 group C4, 69, B8. These 6 digits represent network interface controller which is assigned by manufacturer. The MAC addresses are shown three ways to display the same MAC addresses. The top one is 6 group of 2 digits separated by colons. This is typically how Linux and Apple will display their MAC addresses. The middle one is again 6 group of 2 digits but this time separated by dashes. This is how Microsoft Windows display their MAC addresses. Lastly, the bottom display the addresses as 3 group of 4 digit. This is how Cisco displayed their MAC addresses. The important type of MAC addresses. Universally administrated address. It is the most used type of MAC address. It is given to the network adapter at the time of manufacturing. The first 3 octets of universally administrated address find the organization manufacturer that issued the identifier. The remaining octet of the MAC address is assigned by manufacturer. Locally administered address. It is an addresses that change the MAC address of the adapter. You may assign this address to a device used by network administrator. It overrided the address assigned by device manufacturer. Locally administered address does not contain organizationally unique identifier. The full form of LAA is locally administered address. All devices on the same network subnet have different MAC addresses. MAC addresses are very useful in diagnosing network issues such as problem with IP addresses. MAC addresses are useful for network diagnosis because they never change as opposed to a dynamic IP addresses which can change from time to time. For a network administrator that make a MAC address a more reliable way to identify senders and receivers of data on the network. MAC addresses are also referred to as Ethernet addresses for historical reasons, but multiple types of networks use MAC addressing, including Ethernet, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth. Before we finish this video, I will show you how to check your own MAC addresses in your desktop or laptop. On Windows, you simply open up a command prompt, type ipconfig/all to see your interface settings. Find your interface. Remember, you might have more than one if you have a wireless interface, and look for something called physical address. If you are using Linux, open up terminal and type ifconfig and look for the ether address. Thank you.